In this lesson, we're going to create a cross drill toolpath. We have two drill toolpaths that approach perpendicular to the axis of rotation. If I go to the turning tab and in C-axis, you'll see that we have a C-axis drill and cross drill. The C-axis drill toolpath always keeps the drill pointed directly at the axis of rotation, while the cross drill toolpath allows the drill to move off center. I'm going to select the cross drill operation, and I want to create a toolpath for these 4 holes right here. So I'm going to use the Control-Shift-Click method to grab all 4 of these holes here with the solid face. So I'll accept that selection, and for a tool I'll use the 100 thousandths cross drill. I'll put in a comment: left spindle cross drill 100 thousandths hole 0 degrees. We can set our speeds and feeds. We have a holder already set up for us from this library right here. We'll leave that. We are going to do a drill counter bore. For our linking parameters, we'll make this 100 thousandths, retract of 100 thousandths. For depth, we'll go minus 0.1. We will use tip comp to get it through. We use a breakthrough amount of 50 thousandths. Now in this case here, for axis control, we will be using our left upper axis combination, but for rotary axis control we need to use the y-axis here. Let's go ahead and create this and see what we get. And if we backplot this, looks good. Let's see what we got through the hole, and that looks good. So next I want to create a toolpath for these 2 holes here, and these, if I go to my right side view, are in line with the axis of rotation. In a C-axis toolpath, the center line of the drill is always in line with the axis of rotation. These 4 were not. So let's go ahead and grab the C-axis drill. In this case, I'm going to grab the edge of the solid hole. So I'll accept that. For a tool, I'll use the 1/8 cross drill, and I'll put a comment in. Left spindle cross drill 1/8 hole in slot. Again, we can set our speeds and feeds here. Our holder will work fine. For cut parameters, we are going to do a drill counter bore again. For our linking parameters, we'll do the same. We'll say 0.1, 0.1, and for depth, again, we'll go 0.1. So for tip comp, we'll break through 50 thousandths again. Now for our axis control, again, we're left upper, but for our rotary axis control, we're going to use axis substitution here. I need to tell it what the rotary diameter is going to be. So I'll right click here, grab the diameter of an arc, brings back 653. I'm just going to round this up to a nice round number. 650 will do fine. And we are going to unroll this. So I'll accept this. And if we take a look at this toolpath, looks like I forgot to say minus there for my depth. So for parameters, I need to go minus 0.1, and that should get it done. There we go. And it's breaking through nicely. Okay, so there's our cross drill operations.